Welcome to my very first video of the Power BI application and the features that Power BI offers to the group. What you see here is a report that I've developed for the Power BI user group as a webinar. You will see this information throughout my blog as I will use this report to show demos of using the desktop. Power BI allows you to have multiple tabs. And if you create a new tab, that gives you a blank canvas where you can add visuals as you would like. To right, these are your formatting features. You see your visualizations pane. If you have any slices you want to sync, then that shows up there. Right under the visualization options are your formatting features. And under that, your filters where you can create report level, page level, or visual level filters, which we'll go into in detail in our filtering video. Next to that is the fields options. This shows your available data inside of your desktop. Left is your menu, your visual menu. So this first one is what we actually see. That's the report tab. Then you have your data tab where you see your raw data. You can't create any transformations here. This is just where you can view and do your data. And then you have the relationships tab where you can manage your relationships and see how your tables relate. The Power BI task pane is very similar to the Excel Power Pivot, so it allows most of those Excel features are translated into Power BI very well. So if you're familiar with Power Pivot, then Power BI will be great for you. On the Home tab, you have where you can copy, paste, and format your painting. In your external data section, you get your data, which we'll go into all of this in detail in later videos. So stick around and check out more. Here you can also pick recent sources, enter data, edit your query, refresh your data to have more up-to-date information. In your insert tab, this is where you include visuals, a new page, any buttons, images, shapes, text, things like that. You can bring in custom visuals from the marketplace, or if you create your own visuals, you can bring in those custom visuals. You can create themes, which we'll go into. I love having themes. It's really good to be able to have a report with multiple tabs, have the same color scheme. You can also manage your relationships from your home taskbar here. You can add new calculations from the Homes tab, and you can also publish to the Power BI service to share with your tenant. In the View tab, it allows you to edit your phone layout. So if you wanted your users to see the report via their mobile application, then you can edit how they see that here. And it just chooses the tabs. Just post your pins there, and it allows for that easy formatting option for your mobile device. Another important feature here is the sync slicers. If you click sync slicers, it allows for your slicers, if you have multiple tabs with slicers on them and you filter one page, all of your report tabs will be filtered based on one filter, which we'll go into in detail in the filter video. After that, you have your modeling tab. This is where you can also edit your relationships, create new calculations, and this tab is important for parameters and row level security. So parameters are here, and you have your row level security features here where you can secure who sees your data based on row values, which is important. And then you have your help tab, which is where you do your Microsoft guided learning. You can find Power BI documentation, any training videos, support, Power BI blogs. So all these are really good to check out if you're a new user. And if you're interested in really quick training and beneficial training, I have hands-on training for groups or one-on-one. So definitely reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you out.